航空無線研究所。
Des Moines Tower, number 5087, with you, 9-mile final for 31.
There, 5087 Des Moines Tower, runway 31, clear to land, wind 31020, gust 32.
Alright, clear to land 31, number 5087.
I'm sure approach told you stop, just land, reported braking action, good.
Yep, he just told us. What was the latest ceiling report for 5087?
Claudia 811, do you remember the bases of the clouds out there?
Yeah.
1600.
It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's kind of clearing up a little bit.
It's getting too cold, though.
And Endeavour 5064, you can plan the 0350 edict. Ops is going to get out on the runway and do some snow removal prior to your departure, so the timing should be great with your 0350 time if you're okay with that. Roger. Endeavour 5087, turn right at the end, join Delta, enable braking action, please.
Alright, at the end, we could do Delta 5.
Yeah, they're all closed. Delta 6 is your only option here.
Roger, Delta 6 at the end, number 5087.
And Endeavour 5087, how's the braking action so far out there?
Yeah, we're slipping a little bit, probably about a 4.
Is that the entirety of the runway or just kind of the last third of the 4?
I'd say it's about all the same, 5087.
You think 444 all the way through?
Perfect. Hey, 5087, we just went off the runway and just locked them up. We had absolutely nothing. It was like 1s or 2s at the end over here.
Endeavour 5087, Roger. You said you're off the runway. Do you require assistance?
Yeah, we'll need assistance. We just slid off.
Endeavour 5087, Roger. Op 7 tower. Runway 31 closed, will show us.